Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to verify the email address on OnlyFans. Do you know that I have already created my account? Now in this video, I'm just gonna look at how to verify my email address. Now let's begin. Initially on the homepage, you can see something like this. Please verify your email address. Do you know that users need to click on this verify email button right here? In case you do not find this, what you guys can do is simply focus on the left hand side. Right here, you can see a button like this called as More. It is just below my profile. Click on it. Now from here, all you guys need to do is focus on the Settings tab. It is just below Collection. Click on it. And this is it, guys. This is the Profile tab. Now just below it, you can see the Account tab as well. Right now, we just want to go to Account, so I'm gonna click on it. And once again, you can see your email address right here. Click on it. Now what you guys need to do is simply click on this button called as Send Confirmation. Do note that you can also update your email address from right here. You just need to click on this Update Email Address button right here and just follow along the prompts. But right now I'm just gonna send confirmation. As you guys can see, an email has been sent. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now. And guys, this is it. As you guys can see, this is the confirmation email that I have received. You can simply click on this button here or this link. Select whatever you wish. But for now, I'm just gonna click on this button called as here. And guys, that is it. That's how we verify your email address in OnlyFans. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Well guys, that's it. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We will be updating videos like this. Until next time, thank you.